Hi everyone, are you guys also having the issue with your ChatGPT saying there's a problem with your request? Then here's how you can fix it. So the first thing is to make sure that your internet connection is good, and if you're using a cellular data, here you have to make sure that your network is also good. If you are having the issue with your network, then you can fix it by scrolling down through your control panel and then tapping on the airplane mode just like this, and wait for a few minutes and then tap on it and turn it off again. Like that, your network will reset, and here you can try to open your ChatGPT and see if it's still showing the error. So the next thing that you can do is simply try to see if you are using any kind of VPN. So make sure that you have turned on your VPN. And the next thing is to simply try to check for any updates. So you can get to the App Store of your phone, and from here you can tap on the search bar right here and then search for ChatGPT. So after doing that, here you can see this is the application. Tap on it. Here you can see there is no option of update. If your application requires any kind of update, there will be the option of update. All you have to do is tap on it, and within few minutes your ChatGPT will be up to date. So even after updating, if it's still not working, then you can try the last thing, which is simply trying to offload the application. So for that, you'll have to get to the settings of your phone, and from here you'll have to now tap on General and then tap on iPhone storage. After doing that, here you'll have to scroll down and you can see all of the applications that is on your phone. Scroll down and here you can see the option of show all. Tap on show all and then you can scroll down and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see ChatGPT. Tap on it and then you can get the option of offload app. Simply tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time. And here you can see we have successfully offloaded the application. Now in order to reinstall it, tap on reinstall app just like this, and within few minutes your ChatGPT will successfully be reinstalled on your phone just like this. And now you can try to open your ChatGPT and see if it's working or not. And hopefully these steps work for you guys. If it did, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.